All right, here's one last example we're going to try. If you feel like you kind of get the gist of it, pause the video right here and try to see if you can evaluate this limit using the squeeze theorem. So the first thing we're going to do is try to bound this function. And I'm going to start with the trig piece because we know there's boundaries on those y values. Cosine of 1 over x is always in between -1 and 1. And that's for all x not equal to 0, so there's no vertical asymptote. So now we're trying to create x squared times cosine x. So we're going to take each piece of this inequality and multiply by x squared. And remember, this inequality is true for all x not equal to 0. So now I can check those limits of those outer functions that are bounding our inner function. The limit as x approaches 0 of -x squared equals 0, and the limit as x approaches 0 of +x squared equals 0. Therefore, the limit as x approaches 0 of x squared times cosine of 1 over x must equal 0 by the squeeze theorem. And remember, that is only true for all x not equal to 0. So we can use the squeeze theorem to evaluate some elaborate limits of trig functions.